Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tattoo pen machines that are available on the market.
Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos.
Starting at number 5, we have Dragonhawk Masked Pen Rotary Tattoo Machine. This tattoo pen machine lets you accomplish different styles and techniques as it comes in a reliable design. It lets you have easy controls and make sure there will be better accuracy. Moreover, it has a lightweight housing and has space aluminum frame. This comes with a powerful motor, and you can easily use it for professional applications. In this, you will find a strong grip so that there can be better comfort. The product has better ergonomics, and it comes in a pen-style design. Furthermore, it makes low noise and makes sure there will be better stability. Additionally, the tattoo pen machine does not make any vibration, and it gives you the advantage of using it with all types of cartridge needles. Moving on at number 4, we have Pinkview Permanent Makeup Pen Machine, available in a complete set. This one will let you make the maximum out of it. This is an anodized silver surface that lets you hold it safely. It also comes in easy-to-operate design and has a lightweight construction. Moreover, it can be perfect for making permanent eyebrow tattoos and makes low noise. It has stable performance, and you can easily adjust the needle length. Furthermore, this comes with an adjustable micropigmentation feature and allows you to make permanent makeup. Additionally, it is ideal for professional applications, and the durable construction lets you use it for a long time. It also makes less vibration and makes sure there will be easy controls. At number 3, we have Masked Tour Rotary Pen Machine. Are you looking to master tattooing? This one comes in a reliable design and has a firm grip that lets you hold it comfortably. It comes in a portable design so that you can take it anywhere you want. Additionally, the tattoo pen machine has stable performance, and it comes with a coreless motor. This delivers superior performance, and the durable construction will let you use it for a long time. Moreover, this has an innovative special mechanism that offers enough softness with a direct hit. Furthermore, it comes in lightweight construction and has a continuous operation. This also makes low noise so that there can be better healing results. It has a stroke length of 3.5 mm and can be perfect for beginners. At number 2, we have Solong Tattoo Pen Rotary Tattoo Machine. With this tattoo pen machine, you can have more power as this has outstanding performance. It comes in a rotary design and is composed of aluminum alloy. The product makes low noise so that there can be user convenience. Moreover, it has better stability and allows you to use it without any interruption. Furthermore, this comes in a hybrid design that allows you to hold comfortably. You can easily use it for making eye line, lip line, or makeup. Additionally, it gives you the advantage to use it with other tattoo power supplies and have maximum convenience. The product is available in a complete set and includes a needle cartridge. It also comes in a durable design and has a lightweight construction. And finally at number 1, Bronc Tattoo Machine Gun Kit, available in an easy-to-use design. This tattoo pen machine comes in a gun-type design. This is very easy to use and lets you have precise controls. Additionally, it is composed of high-quality aluminum and has a lightweight construction. This has a powerful motor that offers improved stability. Moreover, it is also very durable and makes sure there will be low noise for user comfort. It offers multiple advantages and creates an excellent working environment. Furthermore, this has an adjustable stroke range of 4.5 mm and is available in a complete set. You will also find cartridge needles, and it delivers efficient performance. It can be ideal for beginners and allows them to learn to tattoo.
Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.